Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Bold Reports. In this video, we will see how to use JSON data as a report data source in Bold Reports by configuring a web API and binding the data to a report. This approach allows you to build dynamic reports using API-based data instead of traditional databases. Let's get started. First, we need to add a code snippet to get the JSON data. I open my ASP.NET Core application, where the report designer is already integrated. You can refer to the link in the description if you need help integrating the Bold Reports report designer into an ASP.NET Core application. In the controller folder, I open the reporting API controller.cs file. I add the root attribute to define the controller's root. Next, I define the controller base in the Web API Service Controller class to handle Web API. In this controller, I define the methods to return data that will be consumed by the report. Next, I define the Store Sales class, which provides sample JSON data. Then, I define the Customer Sales class, which provides parameter-based data. Now I run the application. Once the application loads in the browser, the API endpoints are available. These endpoints return JSON data that will be used as the report data source. I move on to creating a data source and dataset. In the designer, I navigate to the Data panel. Then I add new data. Here I select Web API as the data source type and name the data source. Next, I enter the API endpoint URL and click Add to add the header. Once the connection is established, I proceed to create a dataset. I name the dataset Customer Details. Then, drag and drop the table to the design pane. The designer automatically fetches the JSON structure and maps the fields. To confirm it, I click Run. To see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area, I click Finish to create the dataset. In this video, I have shown you how to use JSON data as a report data source in Bold Reports by creating a web API, exposing JSON data, and binding it to a report dataset. This approach enables you to work with dynamic, API-driven data and build flexible, modern reporting solutions. To explore more features and start building powerful reports, visit boldreports.com. Thanks for watching.